Hello. I was learning NLP, so before I could learn anything, I prepared this concept like to learn this NLP. What are the concepts I need to study? So there are four concepts I have categorized. First is a normalization, next is a text representation and embedding, and deep learning techniques, and then after that applications. Okay, so first I need to know what is normalization. In the normalization, all these techniques like regular, you need to understand regular expression, then tokenization, limitation, stemming, stop words removal, parts of speech tagging. So I thought I need to learn a basic concept of regular expression. So I prepare one collab. So why we need regular expression? Regular expression is used for processing and manipulating the text or data. It's a very powerful tool. So what are the process we need to know about regular expression? First one is it's used for text processing, it's cleaning and normalizing data. Second, it's useful for tokenization. Tokenization means splitting the sentence into words or splitting the whole text of data into sentences. The third one is for pattern matching. It can extract the email, it can extract the phone number. The next is text transformation from case normalizations like uppercase to lowercase, that formatting, etc. And it can be used for rule-based system to see whether a specific pattern is there, like dates, time is present. And then lastly but not the least, for data validation, it can be email validation, password validation, etc. So let's go and check each of them one by one. So for text pre-processing, you need I have added one here, noise removal. Well, let's add a code and then see how it works. For that, you need to import regular expression, then just write a message. So what we are going to say here, hello Ryan, how's the weather? How is the weather there? So here we process this message. Clean equal to regular expression dot, basically here we call it substitute. Substitute in the first is your what is the regular expression you're going to use. Second is you're going to replace with, say, maybe space. And the third is what is your message content, message input. Okay, so here what we filter here, what we are going to filter here is we'll use this from small a to z, capital A to Z, and then 0 to 9 backslash space. So whichever is you use backslash space, then it can be empty here. What with caps here is means that you negate whichever character which is not among this A to Z, capital A to Z, and 0 to 9, you just replace it with space. Okay, so let's see how this sentence looks like. We just print it. Print clean message. It's connected. I haven't connected this. You see, hello Ryan, how is the weather there? So it removes all the exclamation question and question marks. Okay, so this is the filtered one. Okay, and then how do we normalize? Normalize means remove the tabs, new line, multiple space, etc. Okay, so we had a code. How do we do? So we prepare messages again, same thing. Prepare messages. So here, what shall we do? We will add more spaces. More tab, more space, and then message normalize. We go to same thing, regular expression dot sub dot what you need here, it's a regular expression, then you're going to sub with space, maybe one space here, and then this is my input. Okay, so excuse me, so what are you going to write here? So we're going to remove all the spaces. So here, how do we write? Any space occurring more than once or more than once. If it's just more than once plus any time of occurrence, it will be replaced with space. Okay, let's print this. Yeah, hello Ryan, how is the weather there? So all these spaces has been removed. Okay, so next we go to tokenization, means splitting of text into words and sentences and paragraphs into sentences, etc. So word tokenization, splitting text into words. Let's say code, add a code here, splitting text. Okay, we use the same this thing. Okay, words tokenization. So we should split all the words here. Before we do this, let's remove all the special characters. Okay, message clean. Okay, after message clean, we will we'll extract the words. Regular expression, find all what regular expression you're going to use, and what's the input. I'll use this, and then print. Then what are we going to use here? So this is a starting ending block with any word or words it will keep on searching. B is start and ending block. Okay, start and ending of the message. This message it will start from here, and then words plus plus it will keep on searching the words as long as it find any words. Okay, so this should be message. Let's go to words. Let's see how is it. FIND. Okay, now you see all split up. Hello, right? This is all split up. Okay, so this is words. Now then, split text in sentences based on punctuation mark. Okay, based on the punctuation mark, we will split the follow the same thing, but here we will not remove the punctuation mark. Okay, so here split, so regular expression dot split, we call it split. Split, then regular expression This is the message. So you write this, so you can select split based on the comma. We have a comma here, and then we have a exclamation mark here, exclamation mark, and at the end we will use question mark. So it should split based on this. Okay, then print. You can have any characters here, whichever you want to split. So let's see. So hello, this split into one. So because it has comma, Ryan split into one because the exclamation. How's the weather there? Split into one. Okay, that's fine. The next we have pattern matching, extract patterns or entities from text. Now for email extraction. So let's see how we can write an email extraction. So we write a message. This is my email. Excuse me. So we extract this message. Extract mail. Okay. So it's the same. Regular expression dot find all basic. Okay, so we write here regular expression. What are we gonna from? And there's going to be the input. Email has three parts. So this part, email part, at the rate, and this ending part. Okay, so how do we add it? We add the three parts. First part, at the rate part, and the ending part. Okay, the first part. So it should be containing any words, and it can have this. Okay. So now we add the red part is there. Now we add the ending part. So ending part also same. It can be of any word. Okay, any word, and then it can have a dot or it can have a hyphen. Okay. And then at the end we add a plus. Okay. So let's see whether it works. Oh, we need to print extract. Yeah, it is extracted here. Okay, since I write here plus, if I add one more mail ID, mail to me at z.com, it will pick up that, because it will pick up any more than one mail ID, so to say here. Okay, next we will add the phone number extraction. Let's add a message. My contact number, some random number. Write your regular expression. You just need to find all. Yeah, find all. The input here. So what I do here, if we search the first three digit, how do you write 3? Okay, all between floor bracket. And the next, so it should be like this. Search. Okay, Let it be for now. Let me finish. Yeah, okay, then you need the 3 digit again, and the last one you just need the 4 digits. Okay, so we're supposed to extract this contact number. Okay, boom, here, fine. So what do we have next is a text translation. Case normalized from uppercase to lowercase. Okay, so we'll just copy one. Yeah, maybe fine here. So instead of this, we define this as lowercase. We have this string. We find all the characters between A to Z, capital A to Z, or any characters between A to Z, capital characters. You need to, here we use the sub function, and any characters to replace with we write another expression or maybe a lambda function. What does this? Does lambda equal to lambda dot group? What it normally does is we just convert. So convert these to lowercase. So that's it. So you just print the lowercase. Fine. Everything is being converted to lowercase. This. Okay, fine. Simply move into the next one. That formatting converted that format from one type to another. Okay. For this, I will not write again and again. I just copy. So here we will have this. Meet me on 03 202025. Okay, so if we want to convert that format, convert this is also we're going to serve it. Okay, but here we're going to serve it with another regular expression. Okay, so we just need to find out. We can use similar this. Yeah, similar like this. Okay, so it's the two digits, 2 digits and 4 digits. You just convert it here. No need to write this. Just convert with the third place. We do 2025 in the beginning, then in the first is the month, backslash first, and then this one at the last, the date. There's 2. Okay, this is that format. So this will be converted to year. Was this wrong here? Oh, this one. It's not. This thing is backslash. Okay. Again. This should be within this one term, another, and the third one. Okay, let's see here. Okay, fine. Then the next we have rule-based system to define a pattern for specific task. Name entity, selecting a date or time, identifying a date or time. Okay, so for this we modify this. we meet me at this on this thing at 11 a.m. Yeah. Okay, so if you want to extract the date, here, date equal to same, date equal to this. We just get this value, this is the date, and that's the time equal to d of 2 and d of 2. So yep, this is date comma time. Let's check. Okay, error here again. This is the culprit, not sub. This is fine all. It's also should fine all. Yeah, date is this and the time is this. So if you want to add this AM or PM, so you can still add it here, AM or PM, but the M is common. Yeah, we got it here. Okay, last but not the least, we have the email validation. Check the email is valid or not. So how do we write here? So we just copy the email. So message, it's going to be similar with this. Okay, you just need to have a check. So email with this. So here we will just write if regular expression dot if this match email. We use the same regular expression. If this, then it's a valid email. Else in print invalid email. So let's print it. There is some syntax error. If regular expressions need to be yeah, it's a valid email, so you just change it. Without this you'll have invalid, so you need to have this. Okay, so next we will have the password validation. So we add a code here. So for the password, what shall we check? So let's see the password equal to yes, I have 1 2 3. So let this be my password. So how do we check it? We will have the same thing. We will have same this. So we will check this password. So the first regular expression 1 2 3 we will check. Okay, so we will not use this. We will do first one, second one, and the third. We do three criteria. Okay, so we'll add the last criteria first. Last criteria means it should have 8 characters minimum. So minimum 8 characters. Okay, and dollar means like it's the n. You just check 8 characters and it's n. Okay, and then it should have minimum 8 character. If you don't, if it is less than 8 character, it will throw an error because it's going to check until 8. Then the next, what shall we add? Middle one, we will say that it should have at least one number. Okay, for that we will, okay, let's go. Positive look ahead assertion means positive look ahead assertion for any digits from 0 to 9. Okay, I go to like this equal to dot any digits. Okay, positive assertion, they call this. We will look for any digits. Okay, another one, we will look any capital letters, capital characters. Okay, so similarly we also look at a assertion, this one same. Okay, and A to Z. This is that A to Z, at least one, and at least one digit. Okay, and it should have 8 characters. Okay, so then this is a valid password, and this is invalid password. Let's see valid password. Say if I don't have any caps, invalid. Okay, I have caps, and if I don't have this, invalid. I have this, and it should be valid. So if I don't have 8 characters, invalid. So 1 2 3 4, and it's a valid. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.